In the Kitchen is brought to you by Food Services of America.
Well, you can hear that sizzle. Welcome back. We are in the kitchen today talking about yummy food, and we are learning about a dish from Downriver Grill. Today, we are joined by FSA chef Miles Boggio. He has over 34 years of experience in the hospitality business, and he brought along executive chef Tyler Gardner from Downriver Grill. And boy, I'm glad to see you guys today. It's so cold outside, and now we have something warm to heat us up here.
Absolutely. We're in for a treat today. Tyler is sharing today with us one of his recipes that he's going to be focusing on coming up tomorrow for Restaurant Week.
Start of Restaurant Week,
yeah. So we're excited about that. You know, our team at FSA is excited for Restaurant Week and supplying Tyler and his team with all the groceries that they get to cook and prepare for us to enjoy.
And it's going to be a busy couple of weeks. It's more than a week. This thing goes, what, 9
About a
days
week and
or
a half,
something
like that?
Yeah, through next week.
That's right. And so this is on the menu at Downriver Grill. What are we cooking here?
This is one of the entrees. So we're doing grilled shoulder tender. I got a little pancetta and Brussels sprout hash, a little carrot puree, rosemary demi glaze, and some fried Brussels sprouts.
Oh, everything sounds delicious.
So Tyler, do you prepare your bacon?
Yeah, so it's just rendered pancetta and then cooked down with some apple juice, some sugar, a little bit of honey, some black peppercorns.
Oh, delicious. That's a little bit more fancy than I make at home, where I just shove it in the oven. Excellent.
Nice. You want to show us how you make your hash?
So I'm going to start off with a pretty warm pan, a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to start with this pancetta hash first. I'm not going to go too high of a heat just because of the sugars in this jam. I don't want them to burn or caramelize too quickly. So I'm just going to go kind of a medium-low heat, just kind of soften everything up, get that pancetta jam warming up. It's also going to be a great seasoner for your pan, too.
Oh, you can smell it.
Yes.
It smells so good.
I love it.
Salty, sweet,
I was telling Tyler earlier, I think I'm going to steal this recipe for this week.
It is wonderful, wonderful. And while that's going, can you tell us what else is on the menu for Restaurant Week?
So we're doing some pork rillettes for appetizer with some Caesar salad and a small green salad as well. The other entrees would be a steelhead with a brown butter sauce and some roasted root vegetables.
Oh man, that sounds great.
That does sound great.
And then we're doing an airline piccata, so airline chicken breast. You got the little wing in, and skin on, pan seared, sun-dried tomato polenta cake. And then desserts, we have our house favorites, would be porter creme and creme brulee. And I'm also doing a sticky toffee pudding with some mascarpone ice cream.
Oh man, I'm in. That's
I'm going to have to go 3 times so I can get every single thing you just listed off.
All right, so this is getting soft here, so I'm going to add my potatoes.
Great.
I'm going to get some color onto this as well. So these are just fingerling potatoes that I par-cooked, par-roasted. So that's going to be nice there.
And it smells good. And if you don't make it out to Restaurant Week, I believe every Wednesday, don't you guys have a special promotion?
We do a burger and a beer every single Wednesday. So it's an off-menu burger. It rotates every single Wednesday. It's $10 and then $2 to add an additional beer.
I think that's quite the deal.
Yeah.
We have deals all day long.
That sounds like a great deal. Yeah,
so we're wrapping up on time here. Can you walk us through what's next here?
I'm going to add my shaved Brussels sprouts that have been roasted in a little bacon vinaigrettes. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and shallots, minced.
Anything with garlic and onions and all this just always will taste so delicious.
And
and bacon. You can't go wrong.
Yeah. Fantastic.
And assemble all the flavors together here.
Just that alone just sounds great.
So Tyler, as that's cooking over here, I noticed you have some carrot puree. So what do you do with that?
So those are just peeled and cut down carrots that I poach. And then when they're out of the water, I just puree them with some melted butter, cream, and a little bit of maple syrup.
Oh, man.
Ooh, wonderful.
Nice.
So now that I get a little color on my garlic and shallots, I'm going to hit it with some white wine. Just to deglaze the pan a little bit. Throw in a pat of butter.
All good things come from butter.
And some fresh herbs.
I think you have my range of favorite toppings here.
Now I'm just going to toss this up.
Yeah.
Toss this up until that butter melts and kind of gets all the flavor together.
Fantastic.
I'm going to flip my shoulder tender here.
That's a great cut of meat there. That is probably one of my favorites.
Yeah, so if you're shopping for shoulder tender, it's beef shoulder petite tender, is another name that it goes by. It's very similar to a filet mignon in tenderness, but it's about half the price, so it's relatively cheap for you.
Bonus,
and all the flavor and all the just decadence of like a really great New York steak too. Really is
excellent,
delicious.
excellent.
Delicious.
Well, we're wrapping up here. Let's tell people where you're located if they want to check you out for Restaurant Week.
So we're 3315 West Northwest Boulevard, so right in the Audubon Park area.
All right, and if people want to get in touch with you, do you guys have a Facebook page
Yep.
and
Facebook
you have a website?
account, Instagram account, yep.
All right,
Yep,
excellent. Well, I'm going to let you dish up here while we quickly take a break, and then maybe we can check back in when it's all plated and looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
All right, 12:15 now. Thanks so much for being with us here. You're watching KREM2 News at noon. We'll be right back. Finally, Evan.
I know.
I'm tired of these single digits. You know what I'm not tired of is food. We are in the kitchen again talking about Downriver Grill. We have Chef Tyler Gardner here plating up, what is this, short braised ribs?
This is shoulder tender.
Shoulder tender.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, this
This
is
is
what's
delicious
on the
stuff.
Restaurant Week menu, though, here.
So I'm going to start off. There's the carrot puree on the plates.
Yeah, and this is one of the features that Tyler is showcasing at Restaurant Week with that 3-course dinner.
Oh, and a good deal. What's the price point for that?
So this is $31.
And you get 3 courses?
3 courses.
Yep. Starts with a salad,
Uh-huh.
entree, and finishes with a dessert. And then how many different selections do you have?
3 options on all 3 courses.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Dynamite. That sounds so good.
Beautiful. And what sauce is this here?
So rosemary demi glaze.
Ooh.
Little fried Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, I think, are the unsung hero of the vegetable world.
I think you're exactly right.
I
Well,
love them.
beautiful,
Excellent.
beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Well, you guys, thank you so much for coming in. If you want to taste test this yourself, you can go to Downriver Grill. We're looking at your guys' Facebook page.
Awesome.
What are your hours for Restaurant Week?
So we're starts at 4 o'clock and we close at 9. So
Excellent. So can you make reservations?
absolutely, they're preferred.
Excellent. Well, as I'm digging in, we're going to head to break. You guys, thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you.
in.
Thank you for having
This
us.
is beautiful, delicious. I know it already. We'll be right back.